everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where today I'm going to get personal about my solo travel journey. It all started when I moved to LA to take writing classes at UCLA. I was young, I was probably 21 years old in a new country, and I felt incredibly lonely. I had to take two buses for 2 hours to go from Ontario, where I was living, to the university in Westwood. Those long rides really changed me. As I look out the window watching the exciting life of LA, I realize these moments of exploring were my way to escape from being alone. I began using my free days to explore further. I was taking buses to wherever they would take me, I didn't care. Even though I was alone, I never felt lonely. Exploring new places made me so happy and connected to the world. Fast forward to today, and even though I love traveling with my husband and children, and of course sometimes also with my friends, solo travel is still my precious time. It's when I decompress, clear my mind, and recharge. And every time I come back from one of those trips, I don't just bring souvenirs, but also a heart full with love for myself, my family, and even though it sounds very cheesy, love for the whole world. Come join me as I talk about embracing solo adventures and how they can turn loneliness into a celebration of freedom and self-discovery. Check the link in the bio to learn more.